Go for it. Hey YouTube, how's it going? Ernest here with Burns Resale Shop, coming with a little how-to, some quick tips and tricks that I keep in mind when I'm out shopping at the stores. As you can see, we're at the Walmart clearance and randomly found a game. Well, I had the game picked out. But this is how I decide if it's worth reselling. Should you buy it now or let it go? Move on to the next one. Let's check it out. First, you'll see the screen. I'm gonna have the screen captures. I'm in one of the corners of the deal. But you're gonna go to Walmart app, price check. There ain't a price tag on here, but according to the app, it's selling for $5. So that's a good price for a good game. We're gonna hop on over to the eBay app and see what it's actually working with. eBay app, we're gonna check it out. Scan it. All right, it says they're selling for 18, 17, 19, 29. But that's not the full story. That's basically just showing you what people are asking for, and that's where the mistake is commonly made, that someone just sees a price, automatically think they found gold. Here's the rest of the story. You go to filter, you want to go down, pan down to sold, condition, brand new, because it is, and bam, right there, $18.75, $14.95, $18.99, $15.99. That's a good, decent price. If you go by the 3 times rule, a third for profit, a third for price, and a third for fees, it'll be a good one. So 5, 5, and 5. I'm gonna go ahead and buy this. As a matter of fact, I found a few. Little brother, show them what we got.
We have Evil Dead, Mario Party 10, and more Animal Crossings, as you can see. All good finds.
All right, so we've been shopping a bit, but I just want to show you real quick with Burns tips and tricks on how I go find products to resell online. I'll see you on the next one.